In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent text in Mailchimp. Indenting can add a professional touch to your emails, and it's quite straightforward once you know the steps. Let's dive in and explore how you can achieve this effect with ease. First, let's get started by logging into your Mailchimp account. Open your preferred web browser, head over to the Mailchimp website, and enter your login details to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be right at the home screen. Next, navigate to your Campaigns tab. You'll find it on the left side of your dashboard. Click on All Campaigns, where you can see a list of all your current campaigns. If you're crafting a new message, you can also choose to create a new campaign. For our purpose today, either find an existing campaign that you'd like to edit or hit the option to create a new one. Now, once you're in the campaign you wish to edit, look for the Edit Design button. This button allows you to access the design elements of your email, which is where we'll be making our changes. Once you're in the design editor, either insert a new text block or find an existing one that you want to modify. If you're working with an existing block of text that you'd like to indent, this is where to go. Otherwise, simply add a new text block for your indented content. Now that you have your text block ready, locate the code button. The functionality might be named slightly differently depending on updates, but it usually resembles a code editor or HTML option. This feature will open up the code editor where we will implement the changes. Inside the code editor, find the paragraph tag of the text you want to indent. Once you've located it, go ahead and add a style attribute to it. Specifically, you'll add this code, your indented text. This snippet will shift your text to the right, providing that polished, indented look. If 50 pixels of indentation doesn't suit your needs, you have the flexibility to adjust it. Simply replace 50px with the desired indent size in pixels. It's completely customizable depending on how much of an indent you prefer. Before finalizing, it's always a good idea to preview your email. Use the preview option to see how the indentation looks in the context of your entire email design. If things look off, you can go back and make any necessary adjustments to the indent value until you're satisfied with the result. Finally, once you're delighted with how everything looks, don't forget to save your changes in the code editor. After saving, you can close the text block and proceed with your campaign, knowing your text has that neatly indented style you were aiming for. That's it. Viewing your email with an added touch of professionalism is now just a few clicks away.